Hey guys! Ay, it's too hard to do this. Look, this is it. This is DJ. What's this? What's inside there? Let me check what's inside there. Okay, go. I said bro.
Louder daw.
I gotta open this. Okay, bro. He said that's a sticker. That's a sticker.
So yeah, what's that?
Yeah, there's a DJ inside. And this is what? It looks like this. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, what? It's so beautiful. Here, look. Look, it's even rotatable, look. Look, it's still working. Oh, look at
What's
this.
that?
It's the mic.
Mic? Is it?
It's for the mic. It's not easy to open it. It's just the battery.
Battery?
Yan yung...
Battery.
It's ano?
Oo.
Battery na.
Parang ano... Itong...
No, this is the mic. DJ mic. And then let's open this.
What's that?
I don't know. Let's check. It's pang stand up ang DJ. There's some one stick. There, look. Where's this?
Mini tripod.
Yeah, where can I put this? Where can I put this? This is about it. Right here. Right. There. Well, this is a mic. Mic and
Mic
another.
again? There's two mic.
No, it says two batteries.
Pakita mo din ah.
Battery.
Sit ka.
And look, what's inside there? It says another DJ on fake. It's so hard to open this. How can I open this box? This thing.
Case.
Case. It's a case not magnet, guys. Guys.
Parang ano din.
Why does it have? Mama, this is a case. Look. Let's go just open it. And then Tito, put Tito.
Wait pa naman.
Wow, so hard. It's for the mic. It's so fluffy.
Ano sa mic yan?
It's so fluffy. It's so funny touch.
Dito.
Funny touch. Oh.
Dito.
Hey, look, I think it's right there. Let's go put this inside. It's so beautiful, right?
Okay na? Okay na.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go try to put it in this case. Okay? Guys, bye. That's it. And then, look.
Kahit manonood tayo.
Here.
Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.